Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text around a shape in Canva. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. All right, guys, now just click on text and add a text box. Then change the text. I'm going to write add text here. Then let me change the font so we can see the text more clearly. Adjust the size and position. Now click on effects on the left and scroll down from here. Stop where you see the shape and click on the curve. Also increase curviness to 100. Now let me adjust the position, but right now we are facing one problem, which is that the curved text is not a complete circle. So to make a complete circle curve, double-click on the text copied and paste it here again. Now you can see it as a complete circle. Also, if you want more space in the text, then just add a dot or press the spacebar to let me change the color to red. That's how you can wrap text around a shape in Canva. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.